Cousin Kachita, Cousin Lilian. As you can see, that's my accessories for my power tools like jointer, radon saw, table saw, router table, bandsaw, and aside those is my planer edge guide and my circle saw blade for my circle saw. Over here on this side you can see my accessories for my router table, router bits with no ball bearing, which I have to use a fence to guide it, and that is the blue black Barry cordless delta drill that I mount the accessories with this morning after I ate my breakfast. As you can see, let me stop it. Cousin Kachita, Cousin Lydia, as you can see beside my cabinet, you can see that I have a router bit with no ball bearing, and beside them is my miter gauge, feather board, push sticks, letter template, wrenches, square, deck gauge. On the top of my cabinet you can see I have a detail center with sandpaper, and on the bottom below my drill press you can see I have push sticks, and this is my second package of router table accessory. Cousin Lilian, Cousin Kachita, those are my router accessories. On the left hand side is my shelf, beside it is my router bits with no ball bearing. On the corner near the laundry room entrance is my other router table accessories like my router fence with stop block, Cousin Lilian, Cousin Kachita. On this side where my drill press and scroll saw is my first router table accessories. On the corner of the left side of the shelf is the router bits with no ball bearing. On this side near the laundry room entrance is my second router table accessory, include fence with stop block, featherboard, dust collection, featherboards, router table plate, router bits with ball bearing. On this corner I have my push sticks, miter gauge, featherboard, letter templates, deck gauge, wrenches, and near the circuit breaker I put some other push sticks with circle saw blade and planer edge guide. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye, this is Steve.